On today's video, we're going to open up something that absolutely everybody loves, real-life loot boxes. Hello Internet, my name is Matt, aka Matloc. Today's video is all about IRL loot boxes, as fireworks are exploding outside my window. Also, you're gonna just have to deal with my beard, because I just have to deal with my beard. COVID's a thing, it's happening. I can't get this trimmed yet. I got my hair cut, can't get this trimmed yet. Wear a mask. Seriously, wear a mask. Anyway, on to today's video. Yes, real-life loot boxes. I found an advertisement on Facebook for this website called Hypedrop that just popped up randomly, I'd say about half a year ago. And I clicked through and I said, ooh, this looks like something that could be interesting if people like gambling, if people like probably getting skamazed. Because let's face it, the way that we feel about loot boxes in game is you're putting your real life money into digital currency and getting digital goods, but probably getting scammed. And you're probably going to get something that you've received 15 times before, or you're going to have to use those loot boxes to get access to something that you actually want. It's how they get you. It's how they get you. I figured I would give it a shot with my own money. I just loaded a whole bunch of cash in the previous 2 takes of this when I didn't realize that my mic wasn't working on my screen capture scene. Professional YouTuber. And I'm going to just go through it, and you can come along with me on the ride, and we'll see if this is legit or if they're just trying to scamaz us. So I'm gonna pop this over here. I'm gonna go like this. You can hear me now. I know, I see it happening. And I'm gonna raise this, and I apologize. My face is gonna get a little washed out. Hopefully my wonderful editor can fix it in post, but we'll find out. Bam. So this is the Hypedrop splash screen. You've got new boxes, streetwear, sneakers, tech, gaming, budget, and miscellaneous. This being a tech and gaming channel, tech and gaming seem to be right up my alley. But you've got boxes anywhere from $1 to like 250 over here. That seems absurd to me. Listen, I understand brands, I get it. I own a lot of brand stuff. I'm not a big streetwear guy, but I get it. I'm probably not gonna drop 250 because who knows what's down on the lower end of that. I'm not even gonna get into that. Let's take a look at the tech and gaming stuff. Tech box 5%. You can get a MacBook Pro with an 8th gen Intel Core processor, Harman Kardon surround system, Samsung tablets, Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, Canon DSLR, PlayStation 4 Slim, a Huawei Android tablet, some more Samsung tablets, and then on the low end, you could get a Bluetooth speaker, which is an Anker speaker. Anker's a very reputable great brand. I like them quite a bit. Or a 32 gig flash drive, or a digital hydrometer. Those are things that could happen. You've got a bunch of random stuff in here. The streamer pack. Let's see what's in the $5 streamer pack versus the $50, I think, streamer pack. A Razer Blade Pro, 0.001%. HP Omen 2019 laptop, a Mirrorbox capture card, SanDisk Ultra micro SD card, some games, mouse pads. Interesting. Let's see what's in the $50 streamer pack. A full iBuyPower desktop, another iBuyPower desktop, a ROG Zephyrus laptop, bunch of Razer peripherals, mics, hard drives, keyboards. I don't know why there's a Bluetooth multi-device keyboard in here. Don't really know why that's in the streamer pack, but hey. Yeah, so let's open some stuff up. I threw 125 bucks in here. I don't know what I'm gonna open. Probably gonna open a couple of camera boxes, see what happens over there. Let's go with the $10 tech box. The chance of, all right, before you unbox, do you know the facts? The chance of unboxing an item is always displayed clearly, along with all the items you could possibly unbox. The chances do not increase the more times you open a box. They're the same for every opening. At least they're upfront with that. I've read the facts, understand how it works, and agreed to the terms. I bought it. What do we get? I think there's sound. I got a thermometer. Sell that for $1. Maybe I'll try the camera box. Buy now. Camera box. I don't even know what I could possibly get here. I didn't look at it. All right. It's kind of what I've expected so far. That says it's worth $10. I don't think it's really worth $10. Buy another one. Oh, lenses. Oh, it's a mug. Is this a mug? Hypedrop. You trolled me. I thought I was getting a lens. I got a 400 milliliter mug. We'll do one more of these camera boxes. What did I get? Lens cap keeper holders. Let's go with the streamer pack. I like reviewing streamer stuff. I like streaming. By the way, check me out. Twitch.tv/the_Matloc. I stream most nights at about 10 o'clock Eastern. Make sure you check me out over there. We could talk about this. Maybe I'll do some more of these unboxings on stream. Who knows? I'll do the $5 one first. It looks like it's a lot of Steam cards, mouse pads, and mouse bungees and things. Human fall flat. Sell for $0. Do I go with the $50 streamer pack or the build a PC box? You could get a Radeon RX 57 XT, the ROG Strix version. How much is this box? $50? You're probably gonna get some RAM. Maybe you'll get a cooler. I will say that the prices are pretty close to what they actually are. Let's do it. I'm gonna do it. I can't watch. I have to watch. All right. Okay. I don't feel horrible about that. I don't know how good of a cooler it is. I guess I can do a review on this and maybe an unboxing. It's got RGB. It's a big old tower cooler. It's 130 watts. And I just built a computer for a friend of mine named Ethan. He's 13, and we used the stock AMD Wraith Prism cooler. Maybe he'll want this. Maybe I'll pop this on his computer. All right, I've got $27 left. We're gonna do... Oh, my wife is on. All right, we are back. If you've never had your wife walk in on you in the middle of filming a YouTube video, are you even a YouTuber? I'm gonna go through my items real fast and see if there's anything I want to get rid of, so I could maybe get up to $20 and roll 2 more times, or 3 if I do a $5 thing. I'm just gonna give these games away on stream. Again, check me out, twitch.tv/the_Matloc. I'm gonna give them away. Check it out. All right, let's go with let's do the Gamers 2%. Oh, the i7 9700K was right next to me. It was right there. It was right there. Within my grasp. Just reached out and picked it up. But no, let's do it. We're gonna do 2 more of these. 2 more, and then my final thoughts. SanDisk Ultra. USB flash drive, 32 gig. Fun fact. I think I have one of those right here. Yep. Same one. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but that doesn't hurt my feelings. I might even take that. As long as shipping is free. Last one. Do I do tech or do I do camera? Camera bit me before, and I'm not going to let it bite me again. We're going to go tech. I got another freaking thermometer. So what do we have here? Today, in Hypedrop, I got a thermometer, a USB drive, a few games, a mouse, and a CPU tower cooler. $125. That, I mean, not that much. So I guess it's time for my final thoughts. Listen, if this is something you're interested in, great. Do it up. But don't go in there thinking that you are going to get something great. Chances are, the only way that you're going to get a good deal out of this is if you spend money on one of the big boxes. And you have to realize that you might not want what's in there on the low end. On the $50 tech box, I got a $50 item. I wasn't super interested in it, but it was there. If you're using this as a means to save money and hopefully shoot for the stars, it's not worth it. Just save your cash yourself. Put that money towards something else. If you're using it for fun, great, more power to you. Is it a scam? I don't think so. It looks pretty fair. Everything looks to be about what it should be price-wise. You're not going to get anything that's horribly below your value. You're just going to get something that is typically a little below your value. And that's the way things like this work. They need to make their money somehow. They'll buy these things in bulk. They'll buy them for less than the MSRP. And maybe you'll get lucky and you'll get something big. But chances are you're just going to get something a little less than what you put into rolling on this loot box. That's it for me today, guys. Thank you very much for hanging out. If you like this video, like, subscribe, turn on that notification. We're going to be doing a whole bunch more. There will be new videos weekly from now on. Check out my Twitch, twitch.tv/the_Matloc. Instagram, Twitter, the_Matloc, absolutely everywhere. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next one.